On today's video, I'll be giving you travel tips, things you should avoid doing as a solo traveler, especially if you're traveling to a new destination. If this video is what you would love to watch, do well to like, share, subscribe, and comment. I remain your favorite travel consultant, Berry Umez. If you're making any trip at all, even if you're a solo traveler or you're traveling in group or you're traveling with your friends, you need to pack your carry-on luggage. Pack at least 3 days of outfit that you would use in case your main luggage that you checked in did not arrive with you, because I've seen so many situations with my clients where they traveled, their luggage didn't come with them, and at the end of the day they had no clothes at all. They had nothing in their carry-on luggage, and then they had to go and start shopping new clothing. But if you had at least 3 days of outfit in your carry-on luggage, that would have served you pending until whenever your main luggage arrives. Most of these airlines are unpredictable. They could delay your main luggage. They could tell you that they forgot it in the country where you departed from. Like a lot of things. Anything can happen. A lot of situations. I've seen a million and one situations like that. So to avoid finding yourself in such situation, make sure you have at least 3 days of outfit in your carry-on luggage whenever you are traveling. Also, please and please, whenever you're traveling, stop making it obvious that you are a tourist and you don't know anywhere, or you are traveling alone as a lady. Avoid that. It is very dangerous. Please, whenever you're traveling, don't make it obvious that you don't know your way or you're just a tourist that is just, exploring the new city. You could endanger yourself by telling just everyone that cares to listen that you don't know your way around the city. Arriving to a new place at night. I remember whenever I'm traveling, my mom will always say, Oluchi, agakwa nije abani. Whenever you are traveling, make sure you do not arrive to a new place at night. If it is possible, schedule your flight to land in the morning so that you don't have to arrive to a new destination at night, late in the night, and having to, find your way. And another thing is, whenever you're traveling, make sure that you already know your way to the hotel. Make sure that your airport transfers are already booked and you are not arriving at night, so you can easily navigate your way through the city and finding the hotel and getting to your destination. It is very, very important. Staying alone in a villa, especially as a lady, come on, why would you even want to endanger yourself by staying alone in a whole villa, not a hotel, a whole villa all to yourself? Another thing you shouldn't be doing, whether as a solo traveler or as a group traveler, or you're just traveling with your partner or anything, please do not post in real time. This doesn't apply to just traveling. Like in every other aspect of your life, avoid posting in real time. There's been a situation where a celebrity artist went on a dinner with his girlfriend. His girlfriend, she made a post and she made a video, and then she posted up online that you know, she's on a date with her partner and all of that. Remember, we're in a digital age and people can easily put one or two together and find your location. That is how all of a sudden some armed men showed up and shut up the artist, simply because this lady in question couldn't be patient enough to have waited for them to get home before making that post online. So just avoid posting in real time. Generally, whether on Instagram, TikTok, um Snapchat, Facebook, nobody said you shouldn't make any video. You can make as much video as you want, but you can only post the moment you have left that location. You can make as much video as you want when you go to a restaurant, but you can only post the moment you have left that restaurant. Another one is over planning activities without rest. Please, yes, we know you traveled to go and have fun and enjoy yourself and everything, but you shouldn't be planning activities back to back to back. I've planned tours for most of my clients where they will tell you they just want to do this activity on this day, do this one on this day, like back to back to back. You end up burning up without taking a rest. In as much as you went for that vacation to have fun and all of that, you also went for that vacation to take some time off work and rest your body. So as much as you're having fun and doing all those activities, you make out some time in between those activities, in between those days, to rest your body before you continue. Maybe 3 days of activities and 1 days off to just chill and rest and sleep and lounge and all of that. Also, remember to check reviews of hotels and restaurants online before making your booking. Ha, that is why you also need a travel consultant. If these are things you feel like you don't have the time to do to do by yourself, going to the website of those hotels and restaurants to read their reviews, because most times it's a situation where you find yourself with hotels and restaurants with very very poor maintenance and poor service and all of that. It is because you did not take time to read the reviews on their website, because you would have seen that people are making terrible reviews about this restaurant and these hotels. People that actually went there before you are making terrible reviews. But if you take out time to go to these restaurants, to this website, to read their reviews, so many things could have been avoided for you. Because me, as a travel consultant, whenever I'm making bookings for my clients, hotels or anything anywhere around the world, I take out time to do my findings. I take out time. Most times people even get scammed. There have been situations where people will tell you, oh, I can do it myself. They go online to, go and find hotels and all of that, and at the end of the day, they pay to scammers. I remain your favorite travel consultant, Berry Umez.